Okay, so step one, yellow always on the top. Now the goal is to get the daisy, 1, 2, 3, 4, it has to be white. So I would spin until I get white, and then you turn it again. Oh, here it is. See, this one didn't work. You hold the cube like this, the top layer, and then spin, and then you do it again a couple times. It doesn't do it again. Like that. Didn't do it again. Most of the time it will do it. Okay, so now since it didn't do it, now it's over here, right? So what you do is you turn it, now it's over here in the side. You turn it this way and then like that. So that will be step one. Okay, now step two is we gotta match these two colors and then we gotta spin down. So now we have red here. So you turn it until you get to the red. So you have two reds and you do 1 and 2. Same thing, now we have two blues. You turn this 1 and 2. This green, do 1 and 2. And then orange, do 1 and 2. So now we should have all four down here. And then here in the middle are solved. Okay, so next we have to transfer these down to the bottom. Now look at these two colors here. You have orange and green. So you have to find orange and green. So this is orange and green. So this is the right orientation. This is how I would do this one. Since it's on this side, we do left up, clockwise, left down. So now it's solved and then you turn it back. Okay, now we have this one here. It's red and blue. Red and blue. So this is correct. Same thing. It's on this side. Okay, you do up, that, down, done. Now we have that one. Red and green. Red and green. You do up, clockwise, bring it down, and then do this. Now this orange and blue right here, blue and orange. So it's on the other side. Right up, counterclockwise, right down. Now you should have this solved. And these are all solved here. Next, we have to solve for these one, the middle one. Okay, now we look at the two colors here. You have blue and orange. And then the orange should be either on this side or on the other side. Since it's on that side, on the left side, so you gotta go the other direction and then you gotta do the left algorithm. This. Now this is what I would do. I would spin my cube, do that again, and then clockwise. Alright, let's do for this one. You have red and blue, blue and red over here. So since the blue is on this side over here, since the blue is in here, let's do it like that. Done. Okay. Oh, we still have this one. I didn't know about that one. So let's solve for this one. Okay, we have red and blue. Red and blue, up, and then done. So now we have solved here, there. Now we have this one here and these two. Okay, so let's put it into the red. Since this one is yellow, so all we have to do, you can do it randomly, either to the left or to the right, it doesn't matter. So let's do it like that, and then do the right algorithm, and then do that. Okay, so now you should have two matching one, orange and green. You have green, you have orange, so put it away, and then do the right algorithm, and then do it again. Now this is solved. Okay, so now we have to solve this one here. Which one? This one. Green and red. Green and then red is over here. So you do it away, which is the other way, and then you do it like that. Okay, so now we have the middle solved. Okay, so now we have to solve these one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's see which one are aligned. So we have the red is good. Now look for the letter L here. That looks like an L. All the way you have to do, you hold the cube like this. You do this one, spin that one. Okay, and then like that. And then you have here, and then you bring it back. So now we should have some solved. Now we have the green and then look for an L, like I'm sorry, like a straight line. You do it again. So you hold this, you twist that side, you do this, and then you bring it down. Okay, so now we have red, blue, orange, and green. This is all. Now, all we have to do, since these are in the correct position, okay, now we have to solve for the top layer, okay? Now look, these three colors in the middle has to match these ones. So for instance, we got lucky with this one because all three are matching. This side, yellow, green, orange, this is good. This one is good, that one is good. So actually we got lucky with this one. If it doesn't work, maybe I'll have to do it again to see, to get where this is not correct. But now let's do the last step, since this is all correct. Now this time all we have to do is just spin this down, so you have to solve for the white. Now you gotta look for the yellow, so you gotta keep track with that one, okay? So once you solve this one, you gotta spin the base counterclockwise, okay, and then you gotta keep solving. Now this is down here, okay, all we have to do is just go up like that. You gotta keep doing it, you gotta keep track with it. So now right here, okay, so now that one is done. Now you gotta spin until you see the second yellow. You gotta continue. So now this is done. Now we gotta solve for this one. So now we got 3 yellow, this is done. Okay, that's it. This is how you solve it. Very simple.